everyone, and welcome to this webinar. In this webinar, I'm going to give a short presentation on Fendous Project Management Portal, also known as Fendous PMP. I'm going to show you why it is the best tool to manage your projects and how much it can contribute to your company. Fendous PMP is a web-based project management portal that provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing projects of all sizes. It is specifically designed for small and medium businesses. Fendous PMP offers you the opportunity to try yourself for 7 days, totally for free and without any credit card information. Here we have really high rankings on Capterra, Trustpilot, and Gartner. As you can see here, we've also been recognized as a project management software. On the other side, we offer many features that make Fendous a really great tool for you to use to manage all your projects. We offer a comprehensive view of project activity, task assignment and tracking, communication and collaboration, virtual assistant, notifications, security and privacy. Later on, I will log in and show you how you can use all these features on the projects that I'm going to create and the projects that you already have. With Fendous PMP, you actually can use many other tools such as PDF, Zapier, API, Gmail, Office 365. All of them can be used on Fendous PMP, which is actually a great thing for any person who wants to manage tasks and projects. You can use Fendous PMP if you have a company which is from any of those industries, from architecture and planning to nonprofit organization management. Still, Fendous PMP is the right tool for you to manage your project. With Fendous PMP, you can increase the productivity of your company because you will be able to manage your projects, to keep track of each project, and to keep track of everything that every user is doing on your project. If you want to know more how Fendous PMP can help your company specifically, you can book a demo and we will explain to you how much Fendous PMP can actually boost your company. We actually have 3 standard pricing, such as basic plan with only 10 euros per month, standard plan 15 euros per month, and enterprise plan. We've had many happy customers and they've been really happy after they've used Fendous PMP and they've seen how much this portal actually helps you. You can be one of them in the future. As you can see, they've been really happy and they've offered the highest rankings. You can get in touch by contacting us on WhatsApp, phone, email, or you can follow us on any of our social platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Now I'm going to show you how you can use Fendous PMP if you already have an account. But first, let me tell you how you can get started. Here, you click on Get Started and you put all your information here, full name, email, password, which is required, and you can also tell us more about your company name, company website, country code, phone number, and then you click Get Started. I already have an account, so I'm just going to show you how Fendous PMP actually works. Here on the overview, you have an overview of all your projects and they are divided based on the progress. So right now I only have one project which is in progress, and as you can see here, it says that I only have one, and here you can see the deadline, the start date, the client, project name, project status, hours estimated, budget, and also the members that are working on this project. Here you have the option to add a new project, which I'm going to do now. Here you can add a new project and you can put there the project name, which in this case is going to be PCR optimization. You can put here the name of the client. You can put your budget if you want, but since I'm going to give you an example, I'm going to ignore that part. Here I'm going to write the description. I'm going to click on the start date and the deadline, which is going to be a week from now, the project status, which is not started yet. You can also put here the hours estimated, as I said, the budget that is needed for this project, but since I'm just going to show you an example, I'm going to ignore that part, and here I'm going to click on Save. And now when you go to my projects, as you can see, I have two, the one that I just added and the one that I have. If I go to overview here, you can see that we actually have two, the one that is in progress and the one that is not started yet. There are many things that you can do with your projects. So you just go to my projects here, you click on that, and as you can see here, you have the option to actually update the information. So if the deadline changes or the status changes, you can just click, for example, in progress, update, and now it is updated. You can manage members, so you can remove a member, you can add a new one. So I will add here a new one. You can add their email, and then they will receive a link where they can join the project. Here you can see all the tasks that are due. Here we don't have any, so I'm just going to assign a task. I'm just going to put here the title of the task, which is, for example, to call the client. In the description, I will put the number of the client. I will assign it to the user that I just added. The status, which is not started yet. The start date is going to be today, and the completion date is going to be, for example, on Monday. I can also add any comments if I like. Right now I'm not going to add any, so I'm just going to click on assign. And now here you can see that we actually have this task, which is to call the client. We also have the table view and the calendar view. Another option that we have is to meet. You can assign meetings to discuss about the project, and you can meet with a specific user, and you can write here about the project, for example. Here there can be the meeting link, the duration, which is going to be, for example, 30 minutes, and you click on save. You have also here the calendar view and the table view. If you go back, you also have one more option, which is the evaluation. In the evaluation, you see all the tasks, all the deadline, the hours spent, the tasks per member. So you have here everything that you need to see how much the project has been done or has been completed by each member. Here you can also remove one member. For example, we can remove the one that we just added. And as you can see now, we only have one member. You can also access your projects from here. So you go to my projects here, you go to projects assigned, and there you have the list of the project assigned, and also the option to have a new project. As you can see, it's really easy to use Fendous PMP, and you have there any tool that you need to manage all the projects that you have, all the tasks, all the team members, every person who's working on the project. Here you can click on profile to delete anything that you want to delete or to update or to add. For example, a phone number, to add an email, to change your password. You have the opportunity to do that. You just have to click on the profile. And after you do that, you just log out. It's really easy to use Fendous PMP, and it's also really cheap. So what are you waiting for? Don't lose your time. Just join Fendous PMP now and be one of our many happy customers. Thank you.